going through, doesn't matter whether it's audit or inspection, you will come up with what? Issues. You will find there are mistakes and deviations and out of specification, there are so many issues, and you will try to come up with what? CAPA, okay, corrective and preventive action, okay. When we try to come up with a corrective and preventive action, most of the scenario, this corrective action must be incorporated as part of your procedure. Okay, let's say you do the self-inspection annually, but you feel like, okay, there are a lot of mistakes and you need to improve significantly, so you can change the frequency from 1 year to 6 months, or 1 year to 4 months. So in this case, you have to do a revision on your SOP from 1 year to 6 months, right? So in order to make revision, you have to go through a change control process. Okay, what is change control process? You are making a formal request and you are making formal changes on your document. Okay, so corrective action and preventive action needs to be incorporated into any of your procedure through the appropriate change control procedure. I'm going to explain these two for you in detail. Okay, no worries if you don't understand. This is part.
NACPT Pharma College is affiliated and partnered with many leading pharmaceutical and cannabis companies where NACPT graduates have been exploring their careers in various dimensions. The industrial cannabis production technology, and cannabis quality control and quality assurance diploma programs will cover from cannabis plant research, cannabis regulatory compliance to cannabis investment and sales and cannabis process qualification. NACPT Pharma College is very competent and confident in the field of training and willing to bring a very bright future through its quality education and training programs to all the students. Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media for updates.